Hello and welcome. This is Rafi from Dorik. In this video, we are going to learn how to add a custom domain name from Google Domains with our Dorik website. And connecting a custom domain name from Google Domains on Dorik is quite simple and straightforward. We have got two places from where we can start connecting a custom domain name with our website. So the first place, let's say if you haven't yet published your website on Dorik and for the first time you are about to publish the site, simply if you click on this publish button, you are going to see this custom domain option. So if I click on it, it is going to show us these options from where on the first field we have to provide our website name or the project name, and after that in this field we have to enter our targeted domain name, and then we have to point these DNS records from Google Domains DNS records fields. Alright, so that was the first option. Let me show you the second option, and after that I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of connecting a domain name from Google Domain to Dorik. So if I take you here on website dashboard of Dorik, you are going to find all the published and unpublished websites records here. So let's say I already published this website with Dorik subdomain. Now I want to add a custom domain name. How can I achieve this? Simple. If you click on this gear icon and after that if you click on custom domain, it is going to show us these DNS records which we have to point from Google Domains DNS records fields, and after that we have to remove this and then enter our domain name here, and then let's click on save change. That's it. It is going to be published and our domain will be connected. So now let me show you the step-by-step process. I'm going to cross this out, and from this page I would love to show you the complete process of connecting a Google domain name with our Dorik website. So first thing is the project name. So I'd love to give a project name here, Dorik and Google domain connection. Just as an example, you have to provide your website name. And after that, here is the field where we have to enter the domain name. So let me take you to the Google Domains page, and after that I'm going to copy the domain name that I'd love to connect. So I'm going to copy this domain. After that, let's go back to the builder. After that, we have to paste the domain right here, and here we go, the domain is placed. Now it's time to point these records into the Google Domains DNS panel. So to get this done, we have to click on this manage button. After that, you are going to find this DNS option. So let's click on this, and by default you might going to see that custom name servers is selected. Now we have to make the change here. We have to make it to default name servers. So let's click on this default name servers, and after that you are going to find this option, switch to date settings. So I'm going to click on this, and within like seconds it is going to be changed, and here we go, the DNS settings are active. Changes are published immediately but may take time to propagate. It's all right. We are done with making the DNS servers with the default settings. Now it's time to place our A record and the CNAME record here on these fields. So let me take you back here on the builder. As you can see, the first record is the type A with a host of @ and then we have got this IP value. So I'm going to copy this IP value from here. After that, let's go back to the Google Domains page, and then as the host we are about to provide @ and the type is going to be A as it is mentioned here on this field, and then we are going to paste this code or this IP address value into this field. And for this field, we can change it to 10 minutes or we can even keep it to the default value. It doesn't matter. All right. Now let's go back again. We have to add another record, which is CNAME with the www host, and then we have to provide our domain name. So let me copy the domain name from here. And after that, let's go back to the Google Domains page. And then we have to click on this create new record. And then we have to give the host name of www, and the type is going to be CNAME record as it is started here. As you can see, the type is CNAME and the host is www, which we have just provided here. And then we are going to change this to 10 minutes, and then we have to provide our domain name here. So let's paste the domain name dorik.page. You have to provide your domain name here. Now let's click on this save button, and here we go. Okay, so I'm seeing a message here, leave this empty if you mean dorik.page. So if you are seeing this message appeared on your case, simply remove this @ from here and you'll be all right. Now let's click on this save button right here, And here we go, custom records are saved, and now it's time to go back to our Dorik website builder. After that, we have to click on this publish site button. And just take a look, the site is being published, and here we go. We have got site published successfully. Now if we click on this Dorik.page, we should be able to see that our website is loading under this domain name. So it just connected instantly, but if you are seeing that you are getting some errors or the page is not loading on the domain, please don't worry. Sometimes it takes from few minutes to few hours to propagate the settings properly. So I believe we have got a clear idea on how to connect a custom domain name from Google Domains with our Dorik website. And I believe you have found this video helpful. And if you still got any question, please feel free to ask us by commenting below, and visit us at dorik.com for more information. Thank you so much for being with us. Have a good day. Bye bye.